Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of dropshipping to debunk some common myths and reveal the truth behind this popular business model. You've probably heard a lot of different things about dropshipping, some good, some bad, and some just flat out wrong. It's easy to get caught up in the hype, especially when you see those screenshots of people claiming to make thousands overnight. But trust me, there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. So if you're ready to cut through the noise and get down to the real deal about dropshipping, you're in the right place. Dropshipping is dead. You've probably heard that one before, right? It's a phrase that's been tossed around in countless forums, videos, and articles. It's a statement thrown around so much it's practically become a meme. People love to declare the end of things, especially in the fast-paced world of e-commerce. But let me tell you, dropshipping is far from dead. In fact, it's very much alive and kicking. The landscape has just changed. Is it as easy as it used to be? Definitely not. The low-hanging fruit has been picked and the market has matured. The days of slapping up a Shopify store with a random product and raking in cash are long gone. Now it requires more strategy and effort. But here's the thing. Any business model that's been around long enough will face increased competition. It's inevitable. That's just the nature of the game. Dropshipping is no different. The key is to adapt and innovate. It's evolved. And to thrive in today's landscape, you need to evolve with it. This means staying ahead of trends and continuously improving your approach. It's less about taking shortcuts and more about building a sustainable brand. Think about it, a brand that resonates with customers and stands the test of time. What do successful businesses, dropshipping or otherwise, have in common? They provide value, they solve problems, and they build trust. And they cultivate a loyal customer base. That's what truly matters. In the end, it's about creating lasting relationships with your customers. Let's address the elephant in the room, the myth that makes dropshipping so alluring, the idea that it's a get-rich-quick scheme. Spoiler alert, it's not. The allure of easy money with minimal effort is a fantasy that many fall for. Anyone promising you instant riches with minimal effort is either misinformed or trying to sell you something. The reality is far from the dream they paint. Building a successful dropshipping business, just like any other business, takes time, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. It's a marathon, not a sprint. You're essentially building a brand from scratch. This means investing in your brand's identity and ensuring it stands out in a crowded market. You need to find a niche, source winning products and ensure they meet quality standards, create a killer brand identity and develop a strong online presence and market your heart out. Then there's customer service, order fulfillment and handling returns, and constantly adapting to the ever-changing market. Trends shift, customer preferences evolve, and you need to stay ahead. It's not a walk in the park, but it can be incredibly rewarding. The sense of accomplishment from seeing your hard work pay off is unmatched. So ditch the get-rich-quick mentality and embrace the journey. Success in dropshipping, as in life, is about persistence, learning, and growth. Chapter 3. The hard work behind the scenes. You don't need to do any work, just set it and forget it. If only it were that simple. The reality is far from it. While dropshipping eliminates certain aspects of traditional businesses like handling inventory or shipping, it doesn't mean it's effortless. There's a lot that goes on behind the scenes. In fact, you'll be wearing many hats, especially in the beginning. From managing your online store to ensuring everything runs smoothly, the workload can be intense. You'll be the CEO, the marketer, the customer service rep, and everything in between. Product research is crucial. It's not just about finding any product, but the right product. You need to find products that are in demand, have good profit margins, and align with your brand. Then there's marketing. It's an ongoing effort to keep your audience engaged. You need to get your products in front of the right audience, whether it's through Facebook ads, influencer marketing, or content creation. Each method requires a different strategy and constant tweaking. And don't forget about customer service. It's not just about answering questions, but building relationships with your customers. Addressing inquiries, handling returns, and ensuring customer satisfaction is paramount for building a strong brand reputation. Happy customers are the backbone of any successful business. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world of e-commerce. See you next time.